It all started pretty much, my dad's been into cars and he's always tinkered away in the driveway. I've always seen him working on his own cars, so I was always there with a wrench beside him. It was something that I could relate to as a child, and it was something that I picked up quite quick and knew I was good at, and it's something that I just ran with. Eventually, after working 2 years at Honda and then 4 years at Subaru, just got to the point where I got my license and it came time to, okay, now it's time to open my own doors. We want people to feel welcome here. I want the customer to be involved, not just be a bystander to what's happening, because a car is an investment. Bringing you out, showing you what's wrong with your car. We have the ability and the technology and the equipment to talk to your car and essentially diagnose what's actually wrong with it. And maintenance on vehicles is crucial. It's not something that can be put by the wayside. Numerous vehicles have different maintenance schedules. Not every vehicle is going to take this filter and this oil change. So it comes down to knowing what each individual requires, keeping record of it, and then also notifying the customer, you know, hey, you're coming up at this vehicle calls for every 3 months you should be changing the oil in it. We definitely like to specialize in the Japanese vehicles, Asian vehicle market. We do know those vehicles very well, but we do work on all aspects of vehicles and all makes and models. Taking care of the fleet for our customers helps take a load off their mind. That's one less thing they got to worry about, because to forget to do an oil change, a $40 oil change can mean a $6,000 engine. So it's something that you want to put a lot of focus in and make sure that it's maintained. Every fleet we have is followed up with. So when you bring it to us, you trust us to maintain it to the highest of standards so that when you go in, it's going to start every single time. I feel JFP is a place that you can come and feel confident and put your trust in us to take care of the investment that you've made.